Upgrading your dirt bike, whether it's the engine or exhaust, is a good way to giving you more power, but do you really need that to make your dirt bike faster? I want to challenge you to try this one simple tip to make your dirt bike faster. You can go out and try it right now. It's free. All it is twisting the throttle more. Now hear me out. Maybe you say that, oh well, I've already held it wide open and it's still not fast enough for me. Well, maybe you have tried that, but what I have learned is that a lot of people don't fully know what it feels like to be wide open and actually hold it there when you're riding. And even if you're giving it half throttle or 3/4 throttle, you can still rev up to redline and hit the rev limiter, and that feels fast. But if you're not used to actually going to full lock, full throttle, then you may not know how fast your dirt bike actually is. So how do you test this? Well, I encourage you to find an open area so that you can just ride straight on flat ground and not worry about hitting trees or people or cars or anything. You can shift up to second and third gear, whichever you feel more comfortable with, but third gear is maybe a little bit better because it's less likely to do a wheelie on you as long as you have enough room for it. So get going, 10-15 miles an hour, third gear, roll the throttle on and hold it. Make sure when you twist the throttle you actually feel the throttle hit the lock, hit the stop. So hold it there and shift your weight forward because the bike is going to accelerate maybe more than you think. So you're anticipating the acceleration and just hold it there and let the bike accelerate until you feel the power die, or maybe you hit the rev limiter then immediately let off. And this can take a while, but if you actually hold it there, you may find out that your dirt bike is faster than you think, and you don't actually need to add power. You just need to give it more throttle. And now that you have this newfound power, it's time to learn how to control it better. And it's my goal to make you as safe as possible, and I want to give you a free basic techniques guide so that you ride with more control, so that you ride faster, don't get exhausted as easily. You can get that at motocrosshideout.com/free lessons, or click the link in the description below. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.